In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if you have Canva Pro. If you've ever opened Canva to make something quickly and then paused because you weren't sure whether your account had Pro access, this process is a simple way to confirm it. Canva makes your plan status fairly easy to find once you know where to look, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the quickest way to verify it clearly and safely. To begin, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before checking anything else because plan details only appear accurately when you're inside your main dashboard. Once you're on the Canva home screen, look toward the top right area of the page where your account controls are located. In that top right section, find your profile picture or account avatar. Before you click anywhere, take a close look around that area. If your account currently has premium access, Canva will usually show a small crown icon or a pro badge near your profile, image, or team name. That visual marker is often the fastest sign that your workspace has Canva Pro enabled. If you want to confirm it more formally, go ahead and click the settings gear next to your avatar. This opens your account settings where Canva keeps the full details for your account and subscription. Once the settings area loads, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of account options there. Scroll or move down until you find Billing and Plans, then click it. This section is where Canva shows your subscription details, payment-related information, and plan history. Now look at the main area of the screen for the current plan section. This is the most important part. If your subscription is active, you should see a label such as Canva Pro or Canva for Teams, along with details about whether the plan is billed monthly or annually. If instead you see Canva Free or Free Plan, that means your account is not currently on Pro. As a final check, you can test whether premium features are available inside the editor. Click the Canva logo in the upper left corner to return to the home screen, then select Create a Design and open a basic project. In the editor, go to the left sidebar and click Elements. As you browse graphics, premium assets will usually display a crown icon or a Pro label. If your account has Pro access, you should be able to place those items into your design without watermark restrictions, which confirms that your premium access is active. And that's it. You now know exactly how to check if you have Canva Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.